The Nothing Phone 1, a phone that I've been using quite a bit since launch and one that I'm very torn on. Don't get me wrong, it's an excellent device, priced very well and very competitively, just not available here in North America without importing or scooping one up like I did via StockX bidding. Through 2 updates so far, the Nothing Phone 1 has been smooth. I enjoy using it. Love consuming media on this beautifully immersive 120Hz display. I also love that it's backed by a battery with fast charging that keeps it going all day long. There's also a consistently smooth fingerprint scanner that simply works better than most of its rivals, and it's Nothing's first device, a very impressive device overall that offers more than most, priced for less. Though I'm still wondering, where does Nothing go from here? Does Nothing become another OnePlus or maybe another LG even? Or does Nothing rise above the many, offering competition in the space while offering compelling products people will actually buy? Only time will tell, but let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.